Welcome to this Introduction to Construction presentation Part 1 by Sir Robert McAlpine. This Part 1 video is intended to provide a high-level overview of the industry with some links at the end to further investigate. We have created this presentation as part of Sir Robert McAlpine's commitments to make a positive contribution to the local communities. We understand that every decision we make may impact on the local environment in which we work. For those interested to find out more information, please express your interest for Part 2, which will be a more depth discussion of the industry and careers available with a Q&A session. This presentation is approximately 16 minutes and we will briefly cover the following topics: who we are at Sir Robert McAlpine, an overview of the Springfield University Hostel project, what actually is construction and the career opportunities within it, and finally, some links and guidance for the next steps you may want to take to investigate the industry more. So, who are we? Well, my name is Imi Masters and I am the Graduate Sustainability Manager at Sir Robert McAlpine. At Springfield University Hostel, I work with Matt Gorski, the main Sustainability Manager on site. But who is Sir Robert McAlpine? We are a family-owned company and a leading UK building and civil engineering company. We have been around for 150 years. We work with clients across all the major market sectors, including residential, commercial, civil, and infrastructure. You may have seen us on some major projects, including Wembley Stadium and the Olympic Stadium. We have plenty of opportunities here at Sir Robert McAlpine, including graduate schemes, sponsorships, apprenticeships, and more. So, now on to Springfield University Hostel project. This project is located between Burntwood Lane and Glen Burnie Road, and it occupies approximately 33 hectares. Our clients for the project are the NHS Trust and STEP, and we, Sir Robert McAlpine, are the principal contractors. For this project, we are building 2 new hostel buildings, infrastructure, and parkland with the total project value of approximately 160 million. The hospitals will provide much-needed mental health facilities for the NHS Trust. This project consists of 2 hostel ward blocks called non-forensic and forensic. In addition, there is a new landscaped park area as seen on the left-hand side of the middle photo. The original mental health hostel on this area was first established in 1840. The wider project campus currently includes several Victorian buildings, which are empty, or newer buildings which are in use. The construction of the hostels and parks by Sir Robert McAlpine only forms part of the overall estate's modernisation programme managed by STEP. This programme involves the redevelopment of the Springfield site, as seen in this area of responsibility plan, which includes other developments such as City and Country, which are seen in yellow, and the new resident homes in grey by Barratt London. Like most construction projects, Springfield University Hostel went through the demolition stage. The bottom left photo shows the disassembling of the building and recycling materials. The top right shows the crushing of waste concrete to turn into reusable road base material. Here are some quick and interesting facts that happened during this stage of the project. There were 14 buildings and a golf course knocked down during this stage. From what was knocked down, we had a 99% recycle rate. This included 260 tonnes of metal and 360 tonnes of wood. These photos illustrate what is currently happening on the project. The bottom left photo shows the construction of the concrete frame from the forensic building. The top right photo is the roof steels for the non-forensic building, and the bottom right shows the installation of the structural frame steel for the windows. This is just a handful of photos showcasing the exciting progress of the project. Here are some things we are working on during the current stage of the project. This includes over 70,000 tonnes of concrete, using 250 sheets of plasterboard a day, and creating 2 kilometres of new road for the project and surrounding areas. But what is construction? If you give this a quick Google, you'll find that the definition is the action of building something, typically a large structure. But there are many different types of construction. For instance, these 5 circles illustrate 5 areas of construction. Infrastructure refers to roads and bridges and rails. Institutional and commercial refers to hostels, skyscrapers, and stadiums. Industrial includes factories, warehouses, and power plants. And residential includes houses, apartments, and nursing homes. There are some general expectations and skills that could be applied to most of the construction industry. For instance, 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Monday to Friday are the typical working hours in this industry. Skills like communication skills, problem solving, innovation skills, and thinking outside the box are all highly valuable. As construction involves working in large teams, not only looking after yourself, but your co-workers is essential. Safety is always the number one priority. At Sir Robert McAlpine, we say, be safe, home safe. You may be thinking by now, what kind of roles can I get involved in construction and what opportunities are open to me? Well, luckily, construction offers a wide range of jobs and roles and careers for everyone. Here are a few that you can see: bricklaying, scaffolding, carpenter, plumber. There are plenty to choose from, and these are all trade and craft roles. But the construction industry does not stop there. There are a vast amount of roles in construction that is outside the typical box of what you may think. For instance, security guards, document controllers, and road sweepers. You don't have to even leave an office now to be involved in the construction industry. So, what about money? Well, in the construction industry, money talks. And when it comes to annual salaries, a career in construction trumps many university graduate roles. Therefore, pursuing a career in construction is becoming an increasingly smart move. This graph quickly illustrates the different professions and what they earn in an average year. Some earning over £30,000. Please now watch this short video by Sir Robert McAlpine. So far, we've gone over who we are, what Springfield University Hostel is all about, what is construction, and what the career opportunities are for you. But here are some useful next steps if you're interested, including websites such as Build UK, Go Construct, and Future Made. And don't forget to visit our website and all of our social media pages. And follow us on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a fantastic tool to network, illustrate to potential employers your skills and eagerness, and hear about the latest opportunities in construction. So we look forward to seeing you on any of these platforms. We at Sir Robert McAlpine wanted to provide you with some further links to investigate construction more after this presentation. Firstly, the Skills Centre is a site that matches training with construction employment opportunities in local communities. Building Pathways provides guidance, training, and opportunities such as online training courses and mentor training. The National Apprenticeship Service is the official government page to find apprenticeships in the UK. Career Connect is a great charity that delivers high quality and professional career, employment and training services in schools, communities, and in prisons. The Prince's Trust provides courses and mentor support for young adults. CITB is the Construction Industry Training Board and is dedicated to ensuring the construction workforce has the right skills through careers, qualification, and training and development. LSBU and Lambeth College is a partnership that provides support to get into higher education from college. ESOL Centre is an online self-study module for non-native English speakers who wish to improve their communication skills in the field of construction. Wandsworth Work Match offers residents in Wandsworth with local opportunities and training. Lambeth Working is a similar service but those in the Lambeth Borough. And finally, there is the Springfield Village website to find more information about the project. It is also useful to note that many of these websites and other centres offer free training and support to get into the industry, so please visit them if you're interested to find out more. That concludes this Part 1 Introduction to Construction presentation by Sir Robert McAlpine. Part 2 will be a more in-depth presentation on the industry and careers, with a Q&A session. If you would like to find out more, please express your interest. Thank you, and we hope to see you in Part 2.